Good morning, Kentwood. My name is Lynn.
And I'm Rena, and you're watching Cog TV. Where did Lynn go?
And you're watching Kong TV.
I think I need you with me for a time. When I need new
Game study.
direction for my
Study every game.
mind. You listen to my lectures on the phone. You help me find the treasure in the hole. You tell me if I'm acting like a fool. I know that you're not something to lose. No, I've got something to confess. I keep you in my pocket.
Anderson being slow take.
You're my only compass.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated.
What's for lunch today, Lynn?
I don't know, Rena, what is for lunch?
You're the one saying it, by the way.
I know. Lunch today is spicy chicken burger with fries.
Unified basketball. Kentwood Unified placed second in their division, marking the highest finish in program history, and officially punched their ticket to the Unified Basketball State Championship, happening February 27th to March 1st in Wenatchee.
There you go. Congratulations to Cooper Jones and Jordan Schultz, who have been selected by Special Olympics to compete in the Special Olympics All-Star Basketball Game this March. This is a huge honor and recognition for their leadership and skill.
Baseball meeting.
Any students interested in playing baseball this season should attend the preseason meeting today at 2:20 p.m. in room 907. Be there or be square. I see great minds think alike.
Travel to Argentina. Attention COG travelers. Senora Urbina is up to her usual shenanigans planning the next Kentwood student trip. We're going to Argentina in July 2027. First informational meeting will be March 4th at 7 p.m. in the Kentwood Library. Parents are encouraged to attend with students. Please RSVP for the meeting by scanning the QR code on this flyer. Questions? Swing by room 504 to chat with Senora.
Do you speak, read, and write a language besides English? Spanish, Ukraine, Punjabi, Lao, Tagalog, Bangla, Nepali, Amharic, French, German, Italian, or dozens more? If so, you can earn up to 4 world language credits, almost a full year's worth of high school credits toward graduation requirements by taking the World Language Proficiency Test. To learn more, sign up for the information session scheduled for third period, February 24th in the library using this QR code right here. You must sign up to attend the information session.
You know what? Pizza from Con Castle review. 10 out of 10. Go get the pizza right now.
They're not sponsored by Comcast, by the way. We're not sponsored by them.
If I was rich, I'd get like 10 of these right now.
New KEXP internship program. Gain real-world experience in music and radio. KEXP interns have a unique position in the operations and programming of a community-supported arts organization.
They develop skills in communication, project management, problem solving, audio editing, database management, and more, while also building relationships and networking with industry leaders in Seattle. All internship applications require candidates to submit their resume and answer a set of screener questions. Applications close at 6 p.m. PT on Wednesday, February 18th, 2026.
I wish I knew what to do this Valentine's Day.
Heard you could use some Valentine's help.
Yeah.
You know what? You just gotta be like me. I got the ladies lined up.
Okay.
Here, take this hat. It'll help you.
You know what? Maybe I will. Big Max is back.
I want to meet your madre, pay my respects to your padre, mi amor.
Hey. Sure, yeah. Yeah.
Right? Okay. I'm Lynn and I'm here with Talia. Talia, how do you feel about the Super Bowl last night?
I think it was amazing. Seahawks should have scored more, but, you know, we
Preach.
came out with the win.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, guys. What's your opinion on the Super Bowl last night?
It was good, but like kind of boring at the same time.
I wish the Patriots won.
This guy's a Raiders fan.
Ew.
This guy's a Raiders fan.
Guys, everyone trash or slap Seth in the hallways when you see him. How did you feel about the Super Bowl yesterday?
Oh, it was great. I expected the Seahawks to win, and, you know, they did. So I'm going to the parade on Wednesday. Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you.
I'm Reen and I'm here with.
Lynn.
What is your opinion on the Super Bowl?
I mean, we won. That's the good thing. But, like, I feel like it should have been more action. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
Compared to the Super Bowl last year, I feel like there wasn't really a lot of oof, you know? Oof, yeah, oof. Yeah.
Good one, bro.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thanks.
That's it for today, Kentwood. It's great to be alive.
It's great to be a conch.
Woo!